Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today's video I'm so excited for because I've been waiting on this palette for so long. Since I saw it on trend mode, I'm like, I need this palette in my life. It's gorgeous, the colors are like amazing, and the palette itself, the packaging is insane. As you saw from the title, it's the ABH X Jackie AINA palette. I mean, come on. It's pink, it's green, it's purple, it's so many colors, and I love this so much. It's a gorgeous palette. Okay, now inside, which what we need to see is those, oops, beautiful colors. I mean, come on. This, you can create so many looks, endless looks, every season, summer, fall, winter. It's just the variety of these colors is insane. First, I'm gonna start by removing this because there's nothing more satisfying than doing this whenever you get a new palette. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm thinking something pink, because the color I love the most, maybe the name, is Pinker, which is this one. I mean, come on, isn't this gorgeous? And the name, Pinker, come on, so cute. So, I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids because it's very important to prime your eyelids. And I'm gonna use my all-time favorite, my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And you can use whatever you want. You can also use a concealer, whatever you are comfortable and you think that works best for you. Go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna go ahead, prime my eyelids, and I'll be back to start with this tutorial. Okay, eyelids are primed. Now it's time to play with some colors. I'm gonna start with a transition shade, and for today I'm gonna use this one. This color, it's called Supreme, beautiful pink color. And with a brush like this, I'm gonna apply it in my crease. Isn't this just so gorgeous? Like, as all ABH palette, they are so pigmented and you don't need to dip in too much in the color, like 1-2 dips max, and you get a lot of pigmentation, a lot of payoff of the color. Next, I'm gonna get a smaller brush, a fluffy one too, and dip into Pinker and start with the outer corner of my eyelid, just like this. And bring it to the inside. I'm not gonna go all the way in, and you're gonna see why in a second. I'm gonna dip into Pinker again, and I'm gonna apply it right here, my inner corner. I'm gonna connect them together just like that. As you guys saw, I applied Pinker on my outer corner, inner corner, and I left the middle empty. You'll see why in a second. I'm gonna do the same on this eye. Okay, so Pinker and Supreme are on, and I'm loving them so much. They were so easy to blend. Now I'm gonna go with this round brush, and I'm gonna go back with Supreme. Like I always like to do, I like to match my upper lids with my lower lids. So let's start. Of course, always connect them. Now I'm gonna go with the flat brush like this and go back to Pinker and hit the lash line, like so close to my eyelashes. Now for my eyelid, or the middle of my eyelid that I left empty, I'm gonna apply Soleil, which is this color right here. It's a rose gold color. Before I do that, I'm gonna go back to my eyeshadow primer, my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm gonna apply it on the area that I left empty. just a small amount. Also, this is gonna make my eyelid be more sticky, and it's gonna help the glitter stick on the eyes for longer. This flat brush, I'm gonna dip in Soleil. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And apply it. Oh my god. So pigmented and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, the color's on. It's looking a little messy, so what I always love to do is go back with a clean brush and just buff all the edges for a nice and clean look. I'm gonna go pop up some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be back. Eyeliner and eyelashes are on, but I know I forgot two things: my brow bone and my inner corner. And for that, I don't see any color here that I can use for my brow bone. So I'm gonna go with my Tarte palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. Just gives it light. For my inner corner, I want to go with the color Zam, so to give it a real actual highlight. Oh, wow. Here's the finished look. I freaking love it. The colors are just so gorgeous, and I'm sure you're gonna see this palette a lot in upcoming videos. I love it. I love the colors. I think I can create so many looks with it. But before I wrap up this video and say goodbye to you, I want to try a black liner in my waterline. That wasn't a bad idea at all. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked this look. I'm loving it. And as I said, I'm sure you will see this palette a lot on my channel. I love it. I love it so much. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave my Instagram link in my description box. So go ahead and click on it and follow me on my Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!